Everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is about sets. Ito yung mga example natin ng set. Set A, set B, set C, set D, set E, set F, set G, set H. If we will define set is a collection of object or ideas. Pag once na-collect na yung ideas or object, ay nilalagay siya sa loob ng isang group symbol. Ang symbol ng set ay braces. Walang ibang ginagamit sa set na symbol ay braces lang. Ngayon, bawat isang set ay may pangalan. Ang pangalan ng set na to ay set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Itong mga nasa loob na 1 to 9, ito ang tinatawag na elements. Ang bawat elements may specific name. Ang pangalan nito ngayon ay elements of counting numbers because nag-start sa 1 hanggang 9. Pag nag-start sa 0, hindi na siya counting number, belongs na siya sa whole number. Now, set A, pag ginawa natin ang set A na maging universal set, complete set na to siya, ang symbol natin is U. So, set A becomes universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ngayon, yung set B, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, galing dito sa universal set, sa set A. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Kaya ang tawag dito, B subset of A or B subset of U kapag ginawa natin itong universal. Okay, next. What is proper subset? Ang proper subset naman, for example here, B subset of C. Yung simple ng subset. Now, proper subset is simple ng subset. So, proper subset becomes element ng B galing sa C. 2, 4, and 6. Tapos, mayroong element na wala sa B. Kaya si D tinatawag ng proper subset. D proper subset. Now, for empty set, wala tayong sample because sabi natin empty, walang naman. So, ito yung symbol na sa kapatid ng set. P, tapos ano naman yung equal set? Equal set, kailangan tingnan natin yung element. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dapat natin yung set here sa F. Equal lahat ang elements, walang pagbabago. So, pag equal, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, yun ang tinatawag na equal set. Ano naman tinatawag na equivalent set? Equivalent set naman ay tinatawag na yung cardinality niya, the same. Pinabilangin natin yung cardinality. 1, 2, 3. But the element, magkaiba. A, B, C, ito naman ay number. So this is called equivalent set. Equal lang sila sa cardinality, but yung element are different. Okay? What do you mean by cardinal number? Cardinal number ang simple like this. Kumuha tayo ng cardinality itong H, ibilangin lang natin. 1, 2, 3. So, cardinality nito ngayon set H. Ito naman, ibilangin natin ang cardinality MC. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like the cardinal. Okay? Cardinal. Ano naman yung union set? Union set, ito yung kanyang symbols. Yung union set ay kinukumbine yung dalawang set. Gagawin natin maging isa. Yung common, hindi kasali. Isa lang ang union. Yung intersection naman, yung simple, ay ang hinahanap natin doon, so combine natin yung dalawang set, pero hanapin na natin yung kabalitan. So kina-combine, ito ay naghahanap na the same. So in complement, we have the symbol, A. Ang complement ay, for example, A complement equals to 1 3. Itong complement na to, nahanap natin, ito lang yung natira sa A. Kasi kung sa A, kung tignan natin sa A, kung sa universal set, kakaroon siya ng the same, ang matira yun ang complement. Pero malalaman natin yung composition ng operation of set. Itong infinite set ay U equals 137 set. Next is R equals 246. Then wala nang karugtong. So, nag-stop na. Study distance problem for grade 7. Okay, we have now number 3 problem. Mr. Rivera headed south driving his car 60 kilometers per hour. After 30 minutes, his son followed driving another car at a rate of 70 kilometers per hour. How long will it take Mr. Rivera's son to overtake him? So, this problem asking for the time to overtake Mr. Rivera's sons. Okay, our solution, we have to pick up first the given. The given Mr. Rivera rate is 60 kilometers per hour plus 1/2 hours. Then sun rate is 70 kilometers per hour. Our representation, let x be the time traveled of the sun, and then x plus 1/2 be the time traveled of Mr. Rivera. And our equation, distance traveled of Mr. Rivera is equals to distance traveled of the sun. To solve the equation, since we have the distance is equals to RT, and equals to RT. Then we have to substitute the rate of the Mr. Rivera is 60, and the time covered by Mr. Rivera is x plus 1/2 equals the rate of the sun is 70 times x. We use x because the time travel of the sun is x. Okay, then next is we're going to simplify. We will use the distributive property. 60 times x equals 60x. 60 times 1 equals 60 divided by t equals 30 equals 70x. And then we have to transpose all the variable to the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side of the equation. Okay, 6x, then 70x transposed to the left side of the equation becomes negative 70x equals, the positive 30 becomes now negative 30, because when we transpose, we're going to change the sign. And now, next is to simplify. 6x minus 70x equals negative 10x equals negative 30. Okay, we're going to divide both sides by negative 10, and our x now is negative 10x divided by negative 10 equals x equals negative 30 divided by negative 10 equals 3. So therefore, the time travel covered by the sun is 3 hours. Our complete answer, 3 hours times the sun to overtake Mr. Rivera. Okay, we have another problem. Carla is driving 50 kilometers per hour. How far will she travel in 4 hours? Letter A. B 6.5 hours, and C 20 minutes, and D 1 minute. So the problem now asking what is the travel time? What is the distance covered? If for letter A, the hours is 4 hours. Okay, we will use our solution. We will use D equals RT for letter A. Then the given the rate is 50 kilometers per hour.
Then we are going to multiply by time, which is 4 hours covered in letter A. Then 50 times 4, we're going to multiply, becomes 20 kilometers per hour, the distance covered by letter A. For letter B, we have the same formula that we're going to use. D equals RT equals 50 again, the rate kilometers per hour given. Then the time covered is 6.5. Then we're going to distribute it around. We are going to multiply 50, then the 6.5, which is mixed number, we will change this to improper fraction. Then we're going to multiply 50 times 13 divided by 2. So the result is 325 kilometers is the distance for letter B. And for letter C, D equals RT again, our formula. Then the same kilometers per hour, covered is 50, and 20 minutes, it's about to divide by 60 because our rate is and state and R. That's why we're going to divide it by 60 minutes. So our to simplify now, 50 times 200 divided by 60, we have 1060. Then 1000 divided by 60, we have 16.67 kilometers covered on letter C. Okay, letter D. Letter D, we have the same formula that we're going to use. D equals RT, then equals the same rate, 50 kilometers, and the time is Y. So our since Y is minutes, so we're going to divide it by 60. So then we're going to multiply 50 times Y divided by 60. So our answer is 50Y over 60, then we're going to divide it by 10. So that's why our final answer is 50 over 6 Y kilometers. That's for letter D.